Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your public speaking with Toastmasters, detailed guide step by step clearly. Join a local Toastmasters club to get started on your public speaking journey. Visit the Toastmasters International website to find a club near you. Attend a few meetings as a guest to observe how they operate. Contact the club president or a member to express your interest in joining. Fill out the membership application and pay any necessary. Once you become a member, familiarize yourself with the Toastmasters program and resources. Review the Competent Communication Manual, which outlines the pathways to effective speaking. Prepare for your first speech by choosing a topic you are passionate about. Structure your speech using a clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Practice delivering your speech multiple times to build confidence. Record yourself or practice in front of friends to receive constructive feedback. Deliver your first speech at a club meeting and embrace any nerves you may feel. Afterward, stay engaged with evaluations provided by fellow members. Use their feedback to refine your speaking skills for future speeches. Set specific goals for improvement, such as mastering body language or vocal variety. Take on various roles within the club, such as timer or accounter, to enhance your experience. Participate in table topics to practice impromptu speaking skills. Attend workshops hosted by your club or other Toastmasters clubs to expand your knowledge. Network with experienced members to learn from their journeys and tips. Practice regularly both within the club and in your daily life. Monitor your progress and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Stay committed to your development by challenging yourself with more advanced speeches. Consider pursuing leadership roles within your club to build confidence and skills. Embrace feedback and remain open to learning from every speaking opportunity. Continue your Toastmasters journey and watch your public speaking skills flourish over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.